If you want to create intros and outros for your business like this, in this tutorial, I'm going to be highlighting one of the powerful marketing tools within the AI Genius Club called the Genius Viral Video Maker. And it's a very, very simple tool. I'm going to be able to easily create that introduction just by simply following the template below. So when you're a member of the AI Genius Club, you can create an unlimited amount of intros and outros. You can select here from your aspect ratio to the number of images to the number of text. There's all these different ones that you can preview. And again, you can customize all the text shown here to your business and your logo, even your brand's colors. So just select whatever intro that you'd like. I selected one here to highlight my website and to highlight a couple of different pages on my website. I came down here and enter in the text so they show you what text is in the sample video. And then you just enter the text that you actually want to be in the video. So I went through and I filled all this in. You can then choose your brand's color here. I just entered in my hex code there. I entered in the images that I wanted to actually appear in the intro. I can then select any of the music in the music library here. I can select with the filters on the tempo and the emotions that I want it to elicit, or I can even upload my own music if I have music that I want to upload myself. So I'm going to select this slow inspirational EDM music. So I went ahead and selected that song. I can then go ahead and click continue. And then I've entered in all my information there. It's giving me a preview of the original. And then once I come down here and click submit, it will then have a processing time and it will replicate that introduction, but with all of the information and all the customizations that I've made. So I'll pause the video here while it's just downloading and I'll show you the final result here in a minute. The video has been created in literally just a couple of minutes. I can then go to my vault and I can view it in my vault. So included in the Genius Club, you get 5 terabytes of storage for all your videos, for all of your projects, images that you create. There's a ton of tools here within the AI Genius Club. This is just one of the many different tools. So I can click on the video right here to view it within my vault, or I can download the video to my computer, or I can create a shareable link, which will then copy it to my keyboard and I can send this to somebody to preview. So here's the video now via the shareable link. So that's pretty cool, right? You can literally create an unlimited amount of those intros and outros. We're constantly adding new templates that you can customize for your business. And that is just one of the many tools within the AI Genius Club. We also have tools that allow you to create short form videos simply by entering your website. We have a tool that will create voiceovers for you. We have a AI Genius short movie creator, which creates short movies for you. We have image tools that allow you to train an AI model based upon your face and replicate your face into a variety of different images. I have some longer tutorial videos on that. We have this app here that allows you to create hyper-realistic images. We have a full suite of business tools from a CRM to a phone system to a task manager and an invoice generator. You can purchase domains and create funnels with AI. It's really just an entire suite of AI tools that you can utilize for your business. And when you combine that with the Great Discovery platform, now you can actually host and sell your products in a digital marketplace too. So not only do we give you a platform where you can host and sell your products, like I have all my products for sale on the platform. I have all my digital products for sale on the platform, like my courses and my consulting program. But then they also give you this entire suite of not only marketing tools, but functional tools that you can use in your business, like the CRM, the invoice generator, the task management system. So if you're not familiar with the Great Discovery, check out one of our full presentations that go over the entire website and all the different features. It's incredibly robust, and it's essentially a single all-in-one platform that allows you to host, take payments, market, and launch a global affiliate network around your products and services. And the best part is you can get our entire suite of AI Genius tools for totally free just by referring 3 people into the AI Genius Club. And if you want to host and sell your products on the Great Discovery, there's only a one-time fee associated with that. So I paid the one-time fee to host and sell my products and my consulting on the platform. I then referred 3 people into the AI Genius Club, and now my cost of running my online business is literally $0 a month. So if you're interested in getting started, we have 2 different packs that you can purchase in on. All you need to do is go to thegreatdiscovery.com with the link below, click enroll, and then choose how you'd like to get started. Would you like to be a creator or would you like to be an affiliate? Both of these come with 1 month of the AI Genius Club included. So if you do want to host and sell your own products and services on the Great Discovery, go ahead and click creator. If you just want to promote the AI Genius Club and use this as a marketing system for your business, you can continue as an affiliate. And like I said, the AI Genius Club is included in both the affiliate and the course creator side of things. And if you refer 3 people into the AI Genius Club, well, now you're getting it every single month for totally free. If you're interested in learning more about The Great Discovery, you'd like to attend a live presentation, just go to thegreatdiscovery.com, go to events, and click on calendar. On our calendar of events, you can see that we have events literally 6 days a week. All these events are free to attend, whether you need AI training, affiliate training, course creator training. We have so many different events throughout the week, and like I said, they're all free to attend. So we'd love to see you at an event soon. If you're interested in more AI tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.